I don't think we're gonna make it. This is it, Rocket. End the line. Just want to tell my family that I love them. Lost and stranded. Don't eat my hand. Don't eat my hand. We're not... we don't eat each other. Whatever that's called. Outside? Yep. Glad I've gotten some snow. Sure did. Actually thought we were gonna get more snow than this. This is just like a small flurry. Also, look at these tracks from Rocket. Jump this fence here. So this is the track here. That's where it ends. And then he jumps over the fence all the way to here. So from over there to here. That's a big jump. Ooh, it is really coming down now. This is crazy. Well, since it's crazy outside, I am going to go to the gym instead of anything outside. A lot of people might get all cooped up inside when weather's like this. But you can't do that in Truckee because it could be like this for a week or more. It's ready. You ready to go? Huh? Yeah. Big change from yesterday when I was out on the bike. It just shows you that this weather here can change on a dime. Snowshoeing is a tough sport. Even though you're just walking, it takes a lot of cardiovascular work. Especially at like 6,500 feet, which we're at. So just yesterday, you probably would have seen a bunch of dirt here, and now it's a winter wonderland. It's just incredible. That's why you should come, because it's really cool here. Tons of trails here in Tahoe down there. You can go miles and miles and miles. Not snowshoeing though. 3 miles of snowshoeing and you're pretty much done. This is tough. We're going straight up. Basically like Drifter hut, hopefully we can make it. It's getting pretty crazy up here. Snow's really coming down and the wind's picking up. I have to say, this winter I got this Arc'teryx Beta L jacket and then the Cerium down and then these Saber ski pants. And they are pretty awesome. I am actually hot right now. I just put this hood on because I was getting snow down my jacket. But I'm really impressed. I mean, their stuff is not cheap, but you get what you pay for, and it's pretty awesome. And I am out here in the middle of a blizzard. Quite literal. Pretty high, but we gotta head back down. I'm not gonna make it to the top. It's too far, too tired. Top is right up there. So close, I'm gonna make it. This is Hawks Peak, the top of Tahoe Donner. Made it. It's very windy and snowy. Good job. I think even Rocket's cold. All right, now. I'm about ready to lose battery power, but behind me is the Alder Creek Recreation Center, where people start from snowshoeing, skate skiing, cross country, horseback riding in the summer, mountain biking. all kinds of things. But that's about it for me right now. It's been about 3 hours getting to the top and then back down to here. So yeah, I'm pretty tired. Just got back home. I think Rocket might be a little tired here. Are you tired? He gets to relax. I sadly get to do all this snow shoveling. Fun, fun. Alright, so this is going to be the end of my day today. I would just like to update everyone on the amazing amount of snow that we have. It's incredible. It's March 14th. Yep. Confirmed by the Apple Watch. We have tons of snow coming down. And Squaw decides to close for 8 days, possibly the rest of the season. So that's just fabulous news. Not really. It's not good news. It's terrible news. So we have all the snow and nowhere to go and enjoy it. So on that note, hope you have a great night. See you tomorrow. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button please, because it took me a long time to hike up that cold blustery mountain. So a like, subscribe, and comment. That'd be fantastic. Thank you.